Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Xbox headset chat mixer grayed out issue in 2026. Now, if you can't adjust the game and the chat audio, you can try these easy fixes. First of all, the chat mixer only works with the wired headsets connected to the controller. So if you are using a TV, HDMI audio or some wireless headsets, the option will stay grayed out. The chat mixer becomes active only when you are in a party. So you can join or create a party and then you can go back to your audio settings and the option should be unlocked here. Now you need to also go to the settings. In the settings, look for the option of general. In the general, look for the option of volume and audio output. Now make sure that your headset is selected for the chat audio and not the speakers or the TVs. Here in the settings itself, go to the devices and connections. In it, go to accessories. Now here you need to select your controller and update it. The outdated firmware can also cause the audio settings to freeze. Now if none of the methods or none of the settings are working for you, you can just simply try reconnecting the headset. For that, you just have to unplug and reconnect your headset firmly. If possible, you can try another controller to rule out the hardware issues. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.